Let me share this video. Guys, share this video. Share this video. Let me share this video, please. If I reach us, if I reach house today, go do the video very well. But make I fair put the awareness over there. The message to Albert Obazee and other online blackmail on social media. And those people, thank God, now they see everything. For this media of things, if they follow all of us, especially people when they blackmail, especially people when they spread their head, so that means you feel hate them. If they watch those people, even the government, when about they criticize, and they watch what Okpeboro is doing. If now only that one, make una they judge for una mind though. If una they follow Albert, they condemn. What he they to condemn when we say una not supposed to condemn. It go reach not all. Because we know where he's going. Understand? My head cannot hear. I say where people are still dirty where than this guy working for Ogiame family or working for Godwin Obaseki. But we that be on top of the game on social media, we not say he's working for Ogiame and he's working for Godwin Obaseki. Because why? Godwin Obaseki and Arisco, Ogiame family, they have one plan, not different. The same plan. How to evade it though. That is why Godwin Obaseki is trying to use politics to push their narrative front so that later, if they use person like Albert, person like Mokiface, person like Nitu Igbinigu, person like Itro, person like Iyore, person like those Igbo women when married for inside Benin with their social media. Now those who are now go come they tell you lies, just like the way Albert they tell you so. And before you know what in the civil war, it will begin happen. They are trying to use a strategy of let me say criticizing, waiting. We know say if we want to find problem when they Benin, it's not from the palace. No, it talk about the youth employee or the oppressor. Everybody knows say the video when you go break come out. Now the video where they tell oppress Edo youth under Godwin Obaseki administration, government, the past government. Waiting, I just want to tell you now. For this video, I just say make I draw the awareness once again. Etusha know your Obazee. Go and listen or go and watch how Mokiface started. When the writer my answer, when the boy time my answer, Mokiface continue believe where Godwin Obaseki or set of Ogiame family ni Edwinana Inyagami Odawo Inyagami Yeke. That is why he abandoned his father's ways, and he abandoned his family advice. Check Albert. He can never listen to his mother, no Ragmo, no Biola Diamwe. He can never listen to his father, no Ragmo, no Nekwe. Because why? Those people who send the message, may they not be a traitor to them because he ain't really. But for this Okpeboro government where una see say Albert they always catapult or criticize, we the supporters or we that support Okpeboro government or we that support APC government, we know say now because of say Okpeboro stop many things where Godwin Obaseki get for mind. Okpebo will stop many things where Albert get for mind. Okpebo will stop everything where Ogiame and his family get for mind. Okpebo will stop everything when Newty, who just come and say, if I talk to them again, we go house, I arrest my father, I arrest my mother. That is Newty Binigu. He said, we arrest my father, I arrest my mother. That was 2020. The same thing, he said he's going home to go arrest a Ranomigo mother. We are here, police in Ranomigo. If you say a lie, I will come play that video. I have it. But those people now they fight against say, oh man, what berego woman? But all of them cry, come and say, now oppression, now oppression. But Newty Binikun was there criticizing Iranomigo. How because of Iranomigo they support Pastor Sage Yamu in support Godwin Obaseki, the government way they on board. Before we know what they might do people. Newty say he want to leave Spain, make it go arrest Iranomigo mama and make him go arrest my mama. Son, buy something there now. Now the Africa shop be that now. Yeah, take. Oh, my money they throw away. I don't know. Yes. Take money for inside my wallet. You buy one. Oh yeah, yeah. We are waiting here. But we wait your brother here. So my Ido people, I will put this video back again later today. We need to share the video and we need to alert you people the plan of Albert Obazee against our palace, the plan of Monkey Face. But even in my yakman was a lobo aveni ya fefeya. Okbiana no more gebana. Omano sage gedo akpako rescue no more gebana. Akpako rescue have buy all the plan for their hearts. According to our parable, say it's not picking drag padanyam in nourish hand. He go say what in the use and do. Now we want to begin to tell Edo people. Una we say na not get peace. Una we say na Albert go fit give una peace. Hey, we are just watching you people. This is the beginning of this government. Una go tire. Egbe awowa. Emo oge. No wa believe where yes. Oge legbe ni gbina. Emo oge ni no mu obo ni. Oga is a ya wo gwe mano ono ya gwe. Amana ti ya gwe ya. Obo ya akatun mu dagbovo ni ya. Ona mu dagbovo. Ona mu daswen. Owo ya reserve restaurants. Never come. Okay, never open. Okay, let's go buy other things so that before we come, maybe we'll open. Give me the money. Take care of your younger ones. I'm doing video. Breathing now. You understand? Omana imi o maja yo egbe obwe Godwin ide no gi ohun ni. Obwe Osaroje ogi ide no gi ohun ni. Obwe asun ide no gi ohun ni. Because why? Edo people ya in agbaye ne. Also, they called those filling station owner. When be said, those filling station owner no say yes. The task force workers, they are doing their job. You understand? Those task force, they ain't no say they are doing their job. Now, those who are no one can answer him. Larry, you the filling station owner. Anything make you carry issue when concern you between you and government, go give one useless idiot online. Make it the insult government. Now you go face the consequences. Have it in mind like that. Now, I hear when they talk and just now say, he not go fit go they call una, wanna bring my attack on give am. Now, una it happen to. And it happen to now, una no say me through the government when those issues is coming from. Una can regulate una self. Make una abandon ram. As una abandon ram. on lies. He spent over 3 hours there. They call petition. Petition against Tony Kabaka, the Kabazo. You go no say, well, yes, government, you get power. That is why everything you was doing to Edo people then. Now because say you dey support God in Obaseki. Have it in mind where or send a video. Hey, me ya no wa wait oppression ya no we ga low. So you say you want to arrest Don Prince for France all the way from Africa. Ruda Guwegu and other God in Obaseki government. So you want to arrest her. Now, have it in mind where yes, no where was you now? Unless every time, every day, I always tell my people, say yes, this government where we support. If they mess up now, we go fair come and trash them without no apology. Because now waiting I chest, make him be there. And be this. So no what donor made the right petition against Tony. Petition against that. You want pledge everything for all corner. According to your caller, say, hey, I should the pleasure for all corner. Make it the plenty. Thank God, say no say well, yes. The case of our life black men, you can still go for it. I'm not waiting Tony we were planning now. Now because say an opponent to you, when you was in power under Godwin Obaseki. Now not the way we not take rascal that brother now. Amami mi why so tell na la do him Godwin no go hotel where Otiema. And you still bring that video out, Albert. You want use and bring Tony down. You bring the video out. Where Tony they beg. Yes, now governor. That is what you go do last for Okpeboro hand. You must beg Okpeboro Albert. Emi manava we over no sikewe. Understand? Maybe I don't go or whatever you go or But if government not deal with the person went close to you, when say if you see what they're doing now than the right of government, American aware based of your black money, they go enter that person here get the door. If it never happen, you're not gonna say, well, yes, you are fighting government. If it never happen, you're not going to say you are fighting government. Or say, well, your name is say of own. Makawata, my way, say of own, we died on a river. Only brother, a make it born in it. Heredity property, everything we die. Go and be operative for Lagos. And get your son. You understand? That your Eseku, Yoruba, no rulere, we carry the Ogbonge matter waka on this side. Have you seen her for Benin again? Or Jackpan to Kogi State, Ekiti no kere, or Kogi no kere. Edoga mi yahu. Ege Godwin Obaseki. Ne do mana mi yahu. We must hear our thing to do. Not because Godwin Obaseki time when we say Edo not see their property to do. Lagos and Kogi. Arona where come from Kogi State. Arona come they run the #1 of vigilante for Edo State. My Edo people. Petition where about the use you now. The plan against Tony Kabaka Kabazo. Wanna let her know say in the waste time. When they got Godwin Obaseki government, he don't know how many people petition him. He has a say the former chief of staff Bovo or Yari Ladian. Bovo Mayari Ladian. Godwin Obaseki government has given call in Ladian. Petition go die for that. You don't know how many petitions I give petition you. When you the black men who say under Godwin Obaseki government. Do you know say petition your petition where you boy? But it not work. Why you not ask yourself why you not work? Because you dey under your governments. You dey under your governments. So have it in mind, say, man, whatever akobenu work Tony, whatever trap, whatever plan, all they work because we have who that doya, Tony my way that way. And we see the people no boy and all like work bobo. Anyway, only work bobo ni guayo. We know say now the parable when I make just now. I walk on halfway mama saw but away there. They drag Padayam as fake PDP. Even the Padayam not even reach their hand. Move they go. After fire. After four, sorry. We drag Padayam with them. We carry the Padayam, we carry the pot where they take prepare and everything. And no one reach their hand. They must cry now. Picking where they cry for Padayam. And we tell you now, so we go cry. Because you can't beat PDP. Who organized the PDP for Edo State? You go say you be PDP. Later when you can't see the legacy PDP or the G5, G6 under PDP. Una high clear now. What to make you the flog than Obi? And because say than Obi vote against Godwin Obaseki and Aswen Yodaro. What to make you the insult our former deputy governor, Comrade Shaibu. And because Shaibu do one for your success or be your gaffes. Well, yes, now we get do. Waiting make Kabiru, Honorable Kabiru Ajoto, Charles Idahosa, Ariana, a lot of them, Aseno Joshua, waiting made them kick against Godwin Obaseki. Not because of say, well, yes, he got doing well without them, he can win election. He go to collaborate with those chiefs. No, as we speak now, those chiefs, no real boy, Enogire. Here we bog working. Godwin Obaseki. Godwin, no via Obiaho. Here via bog working. The guy also near Ramu Buero Bokpa. Where I do give charlatans now. Edo people don't they understand the plan of Albert. When he Shioko anarchy under this government. Everybody, all of them is dead. He's dead on arrival. That is why inside this environmental sanitation area. I like the way he forge never get down a governor tie. About those one who say they don't want to listen to governor or they don't want to listen to the rule and regulation of the environmental. Go ask them. The work where they work for inside environmental. Oh, now my you be. He used the work. They walk. Even some, not be the area when they for they live, now they for work. As they listen to you online, say, Okpeboro cannot stop their movie. They move. Ask them what Okpeboro use they do. In when I take billion for you to know say but now government about you they play. Godwin Obaseki where those people don't listen to. In they use your own power. Or you 8 years, among where government where Edo people they listen to. You can see the way where Edo people they respond for Okpeboro is very big different the way where they respond for Godwin Obaseki. Not be only we the media or only we support Okpeboro. Now they give Godwin ta. No yak power. But we in the power. Not be only media. Around the corner, around the community. All the strategy no way. Go see the land we collect for Oligbese and where we don't return to Oligbese. If not only that one alone. About no go cry. Crusoe Sagi. You never change to Mopio. Maybe all those your big eyeball. We can cover the time where you dey shop money. Eh? It don't they see run for you now. When I see Crusoe Sagi, I don't know Crusoe Sagi again. You are finished. Oh, but all those money wanna hide. Oh God, we don't hide. Oh God. What I believe is Supreme Court in there. Okay, what I believe Supreme Court wa igbele ni keyin. Now, what do you see? Kwachi Crusoe Sagi, the enemy of Edo land. Crusoe Sagi. Crusoe Osagi, our market. Now about platform you want to come. Why you not go television again? Go cry. They don't talk over. Edo government don't take over the television. And they ask you. Crusoe Osagi. Crusoe Osagi. Oh yeah, this side. Crusoe Osagi. Crusoe Osagi. Our market. I not feel contact waiting. They come out from your useless ear mouth just now. Because you have said more than that under Godwin Obazee government when you was a minister or director of communication. You understand? Or the media representative to Godwin Obazee. But with the council talk much, no action. You want to try government? You want to try government? Crusoe Osagi joined them, made a petition. Tony Kabazo made a petition now. Crusoe Osagi upon all those ones where you do. Sorry, your useless talks by the mobile police when they support, when they escort Senator Monday Okpeworo when he was a senator. Mobile police where they escort them, where they escort them. Your talks, they on TV boots, they're Mutari. They block airports when Okpeworo was coming from Lagos, Abuja. They buy the mobile police, they shoot the mobile police. Crusoe Osagi run come media. He said that the talks when they follow, where one go receive deputy governor, former deputy governor Felicia Ibo, and the talks where they follow our governor, State Omodo Okpeworo. He said now then I buy that mopo. If not be say the proof and the evidence was there, and the people when they talk to, they see him say, now Godwin Obazee now release gunshot. But Crusoe Osagi run come live video. He said Felicia Ibo is forcing or is trying to cause anarchy to force himself to government house. Where you know say now courts now straight down to government house say it doesn't offend Godwin Obazee, it doesn't offend the people. He should go and continue as a deputy. But Crusoe Osagi no one no get unusia away ya done. All your face don't go inside. Oh, you want to try? Only 8 months, I'll be 9 months for government. Crusoe Osagi. How ya ye dimi. E yakba. Why ye government ku? Crusoe Osagi. Even if you like, waiting not happen for Edo State. If you like, carry and come about platform, come the zoo. Edo people know you, even when you was in the position to tell the whole world what is happened under your government. Every day, but they now lie, you the lie now. Oh, water. Ejoloya, oh, water. When I say Crusoe Osagi for about platform just now, I was so ashamed of myself. Wait, now so government be. Oh God. Now so government be. Well, what gerine babana Crusoe Osagi? You don't get it under 8 months, I've been 9 months. Where power take come out from your hand? You will hand over power for 8 years. You will hold power for 8 years. You handle power for 8 years. You just hand over under 7 to 8 months now. But if you see your condition, Crusoe Osagi, communication, media communication under Godwin Obazee, you never see. You go know what to be peppered there. What una go use Obazee do to Edo people. Where that useless guy, where they call OZ, that used Miyaki. Miyaki never concede music. Miyaki, you never concede music since then. Obazee peppered them. Don't worry, you go see the new latest album of Senator Monday Okpeworo is coming on the way from the Voice of Justice. And they prepare on. Every Bob now for pepper them. Now, because of the good things he's doing for Edo people and the way he takes stop on a plan against our kingdom, against our land, against the government's property, against Edo State property. The way we will take stop on a plan is a very big. That is with the conquer music, with the conqueror, with the conqueror. The day we go release them. Let's pass here, son. The day we go release them, we go see and say yes. And truth is we talk. Please, we wanna join me soon. But we not go too much send them. Edo people here baba tine where and we go yare. Here beg me ame no kwon me where off we ma. A man in my soul, but on a tower me yaw. Now we man or ye man in here. He want to try tell the young world where in here money say. When one of you do not beg where a money our lie say. Oh, we not be we carry and go away. So when we are beg. Under Godwin Obazee, me and Amigo, when I was a PFM member, second in command to Amigo, we was crying for flyover. Well, yes, that 3rd junction to Ring Road, Bobai, flyover supposed there. 5 junction, when we say enough traffic, flyover supposed there. Under Godwin Obazee government too. The first 4 years, the second 4 years, we cry, say Godwin Obazee, secure this place. Now you go put signboard for 3rd junction. That traffic light we put for 3rd junction, you know how many bus drivers they beat that place? So I use myself to give example. When I was Sakbomba Road, fion. So Federal Highway Patrol go they come. It go first quick me to revise, do my thing for Sakbomba Road. So they go they flog my glass, but I don't do what I want to do. But if like say that fly over there, as I